Troy bathtub screen installation. In this video we will go over the details of installing your frameless bathtub screen. As you open the box, you must ensure to protect the glass by placing the glass onto the cardboard, blanket or soft surface. Do not allow the glass or its edges to come into contact with hard surfaces such as tile or ceramic. Installing the hinges on the glass screen. Place the brackets onto the notches of the glass and screw them in, but do not fully tighten them, just enough so that they stay on but are still adjustable. Allen screws should be facing inside the bathtub so they are hidden from the outside view. Do the same for the top and bottom hinges. The reason hinges have to be installed at this time is to mark up the proper holes on the wall for drilling. Place plastic shims onto the tub where the glass screen will be installed. This will create 7/16 of an inch gap between glass and tub surface. The gap is a placeholder for the drip edge plastic sweep at the end of the installation. The next steps are measuring and drilling your holes for the installation of your anchors. Place the glass door on top of the shims. Have a friend help you with lifting and holding the glass. Move the glass screen up against the wall and place a level up against the glass so that it is perfectly level. Mark up the holes for the hinges while still holding the glass perfectly level. There will be 4 holes per hinge, 2 on the outside and 2 on the inside for both the top and bottom hinge. After marking the holes, carefully remove the glass screen and place back onto a soft surface. Drilling the holes into studs. Holes will be 3/16 of an inch and will be drilled with a spade tip tile drill bit. Drill your 4 holes per hinge into the stud. Tap the included plastic anchors into the holes with a plastic mallet. If necessary, cut the head of the anchors with a razor to make the wall surface flush. Mounting of the glass door. Place the door back on top of the shims on the tub. Make sure the holes are aligned with your hinges. Attaching hinges to wall. Install the top hinge first. Start with the top outside hole and tighten the screws slightly. Make sure not to over-tighten the screws. Next, install the outside bottom screw, followed by the inside top screw, and then inside bottom screw, completing the installation of the top hinge to wall. Next, install the bottom hinge, installing the screws in the same order of the top hinge. Now open and close the screen a few times to ensure proper movement of the screen. Once satisfied with the screen movement, use a manual screwdriver for the final turns of the screw to make sure the hinge is completely secured to the wall. The next step is taking the included Allen wrench and tightening the hinges to the glass. Adjust and turn the Allen screws, first the top, then the bottom screws, to make sure the glass is secured to the hinge. Installing the door handle. This step depends on the type of hardware you have chosen for your screen and will involve placing the attachment hardware through the provided opening and securing the hardware from both sides. Please make sure to use the provided washers with your hardware to avoid contact between glass and metal at all times. Installing the sweeps. Remove the shims so that the door can swing out 90 degrees. The bottom sweep is pre-cut and is included. The side of the plastic sweep with the V end will be facing inside the shower. Snap the plastic sweep onto the bottom of the screen and slide it all the way on, tapping it onto the screen so that it is flush. Now we need to measure and clip on the plastic sweep for the sides of the glass. After measuring the 3 different pieces of plastic sweep, cut them with cutting pliers. Snap the 3 plastic sweeps on for a clean installation. Have the lip of the plastic sweep facing inside the tub like you did with the bottom sweep. These will keep the water inside. You have now officially completed the installation of your frameless glass bathtub screen. Congratulations! Troy Systems, redefining luxury.